friends in YouTube. Clarisa here. I am back with another video, and this video is going to be about hair. I have few emails concerning about hair, especially thinning of the hair, and also how to achieve a sleek, straight hair, no frizz. So I am going to give you a recipe that really works and show you some products that it will help to restore mature, thinning hair, damaged hair. And so let's start the video, my friends. Okay, so when it comes to hair, mature hair, it is very similar to a hair that has been bleached, because the hair shaft has been compromised by the degradation of the lipids and amino acids, the keratin fiber that keeps the structure of the hair all together. So when we mature, we lose all those components, and the hair becomes really frizzy, dry. And so I recommend you treating your hair as if it was bleached and damaged, because the hair is already mature. So I am going to give you some suggestions of products that really work good. I like to use top quality products when it comes to my hair. I treat my scalp and my hair just as I treat my skin. I do treatments on my scalp every single day, the same way I do with my skin routine. So I'm going to show you one for mature woman, mature hair I should say, and this company right here is Schwarzkopf Professionals, and this is the VC Bonacure curating hair therapy. This particular product, it is a professional product, but I will leave a link below so you can purchase it. It is an awesome product. It has the curating, and it treats thin, fragile, mature hair, as well as damaged hair that has been damaged by flat irons, curly irons, blow dryers, chemical procedures. And so it is a very good quality product. Schwarzkopf is a German company. It's one of my favorite companies, and Kerastase, it's another favorite of mine. Wella Professionals and Godwell, yes, and Godwell is also I believe is a German company. Okay, so another one that I'm going to show you, it is the same company, and this is the Schwarzkopf Professionals VC Bonacure Repair Rescue. And this is the same thing to treat really fragile hair, extremely damaged hair, and excellent for mature hair, because it will nourish the hair shaft to become stronger. And so this is like I said, Repair Rescue. This is an excellent product as well. Another one that I'm going to show you, it is the for the ends of the hair that becomes dry. This is by Schwarzkopf, the same thing, professional VC Bonacure Repair Rescue Seal Ends. So when the hair becomes mature, it's really frizzy and dry. And to use this after you had washed your hair and towel dry, just apply it on the ends. It will maintain your hair nice and soft. And I have a lot of you know, products to treat my hair, and the hair is very important to me. I like to treat myself in a holistic way, so not just the skin, not just my face, but this is very good for the split ends and dry ends. Another one that I'm going to show you, it is Kerastase. Kerastase is said that it's one of the best companies in the world for hair. And of course there are other products that are fantastic. It was said this like a couple of years ago, but you know, they always coming out with new products, different companies, and the technology keeps advancing. Kerastase specializes in having a technology in order to put the product to penetrate in a hair shaft, deep into the hair shaft, to restore, to regenerate the hair. And this particular one, it is the mask force Architecte, and resistant mask force Architecte, and it comes in this jar right here. You could go at the Kerastase website, which I will put the information for you, and also at the Gine Juarez salons, they sell it. It is a very good product to restore the hair. And so another product that I'm going to show you, it is Nexus, this here. And with this I have a little secret, and because I know how ingredients work in the skin, and how I know how ingredients work in the hair. Almost it's a little bit similar. And so the secret that I'm going to tell you, just wait in 1 second, but let's talk about the properties of this product. This is the Reconstructing Treatment Keraphix Nexus. This beautiful product has collagen, elastin, it has hydrolyzed keratin, and it does have the technology to penetrate into the hair shaft. Now, because my background is the study of ingredients, I know exactly how it's going to work in the hair and skin. So this comes in a little vial like that, 2 vials in the box, and I have the other one here. I bought like about 3 of these little boxes, and you could find it at Ulta or Nexus.com. Ulta sells it, and somebody told me that Target also sells it. And so what you're going to do, my little secret, you're going to get little amount, like a dime, the size of a dime, and this is like a gel, okay? This is like a gel that you use it after you wash your hair and leave it for 10 minutes. I leave it longer, and then you rinse it. But like I said, I know how ingredients work in the skin and hair. You could use this particular product on your skin. Not all hair products are gonna be like that. I will let you know, it's very, very rare to find a hair product that could work on your skin as well. So you put a little bit of the gel on your hand, like a size of a dime, and important, take about 6 drops of emo oil. Emo oil only, no other oil. So emo oil, because it has a transdermal delivery system. Mix it together and apply your face and your décolleté area, and let it absorb for I leave it for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then I will put my other skin regimen. This is Nexus is a good company. I like it very much. So it has very good reviews, and the formulations are fantastic. I love Nexus. Okay, so I'm going to tell you something to use for the thinning hair. let me explain you. The hair follicles need to be nourished in order to sprout good hair. If the hair follicles are not being nourished with good oils, with good serums, hair serums, your hair eventually, as you mature, it's gonna be dry and dead. Products internally, such as amino acids, silica, collagen, hyaluronic acid, B-complex vitamins is a must for the hair and the skin, copper, zinc, and other nutrients that will maintain your body looking healthier, stronger, and younger. So I always emphasize in protein. Protein is a good source of amino acids for the hair and the skin. It's the building blocks of the structure of your protein fibers. It's the building blocks of your skin and hair. And so keep in mind about all those nutrients. And phytoceramides to hydrate your skin and hair from the inside out. Fish oils, very important. Fish oils to be very well absorbed. Take it with yogurt. Anything that has a good protein source, because yogurt has protein source, it will allow the oil to absorb better into your system. Now I am going to give you a recipe that will help you to look your hair sleek, no frizz, healthy, shiny. So I work hard for my hair growth. I work hard for my whole body in order to be an example to other people, and because I need to be an inspiration in my business to my patients. Okay, so what you're gonna have is, in this recipe, it is cornstarch. You take about 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch, okay, and then you take organic milk, 6 tablespoons, and then I forgot the coconut oil, I'm sorry, but then you take about 3 tablespoons of the whipping cream, make sure it's organic, and organic coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. So you mix all together, mix it all together. What it's going to do, the coconut oil, due to the molecular structure, is going to allow all these ingredients to penetrate into your hair shaft. And the whipped cream, is that whipped cream? Yeah, heavy whipping cream. It's going to replace those lipids that you had lost through the years. The same thing, the milk. The milk also is going to replace the lipids and the protein that you had lost during your time. And so milk has a source of protein and lipids and calcium and other minerals. And so make sure it's the whole milk, no skim milk, no non-fat milk. I don't believe drinking that people should be drinking non-fat or non-fat milk. Why? You're taking out all the good lipids of the milk. You need to, if you are not a vegetarian, you need to drink whole milk. Okay, so that's the recipe for today, and that's the video for today. Okay, my sweet friends, I appreciate your time. In my last video, your beautiful comments and your love, thank you very much. Spread the word, thumbs up, share the video, and like my video, okay? Just click the little bell for more notifications. You be blessed and be healthy, and looking younger than your natural age, because it is very possible with effort and discipline. Okay, my girls, see you later. Bye bye. Ciao.